If you found yourself locked out of your current account, don't worry. Follow these simple steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the current app. Open the current app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email. Input the email address associated with your current account. This is where the recovery instructions will be sent. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Current with instructions to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. Step 5. Log in with new passwords. Return to the Current app and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Current's customer support for further assistance.